Hi everyone, I'm Kathleen and today I'm unboxing the Cuddy Composting Toilet. Here we go. Okay. It says that they started including instructions just recently due to requests. Alright. So it's got some styrofoam around it. Here we go. Let's see if I can get it out of here easily. Wow, it's a bit heavy. Wow. I might have to turn it on its side. Okay, I got it. There we go. Alright, so there it is. This is the Cuddy Composting Toilet. Let's see if there's anything else in the box, which there's not. Alright. I'm just going to tell you about a few of its parts. Up top, they have a little dog that says, "Sit, do not stand." Okay, let's take the plastic off. So right here in the front, they have what's called the agitator. And I'm going to take this blue painter's tape off to show you inside. So the agitator here, all you do is when you're done going to the bathroom, you turn it, and it's going to churn up whatever you've done in there. Let's open it up. So here we go. Alright, so inside it has a place. If you can see, I'm going to show you. I'm going to tilt it slightly for number 1 and number 2. So, without breaking this, there it is. This little lever here closes to close it up, but I haven't gotten there yet. I'm going to lift this lid up. And all these different parts are inside. Alright. So, there's this lid. Inside they have this filtration device. This is where, after you pee, it goes through this hole, and then it stores inside of this. And it has this little handles that help you to lift it up when you're ready to dump it out. This is where the number 2 goes, and as you can see, here's this little lever. Inside they have the agitator. I'm going to take this bag out. They have a bag with a cord. There is a fan inside, and you can use that. You just have to hook it up to some power. I have seen where people do not hook it up to power and they use it that way as well. So inside this, where the stool goes, you're going to put some, I'm going to put coconut coir in here, okay, and that's going to help stir with the stool and churn it up so it breaks down and it's compostable. So you can see that this turns and it goes down pretty far, but the bottom of this is going to be all coconut coir anyway. So there's not going to be any stool at the very bottom. It's going to be all filled with coconut coir. And so when I'm going to put this back in, and when I am going, when I'm done, you can see that this is open right now. Let me tilt it. See, it's open, the part where you're going to, and then I'm going to close it. What I love about this is that you can close off, after you go to number 2, you can close off the number 2 part just by simply moving this lever. which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to open this up again and put this back, the part where the pee goes, number 1. Okay, so this goes on top of where the stool box. So I'm putting that in. Okay. And this is the filtration system, I believe. I'll read the instructions. And here's a bag with a cord, probably for the fan. Oh, they do put the eyes in there. So my daughter, I've seen pictures of the Cuddy Composting Toilet have the eyes on the front, and my daughter was hoping that they would have this, and they do have the eyes. It's just a cute little thing for kids. Another nice thing about this Cuddy Composting Toilet is it doesn't look like a toilet. It just looks like a box, you know, so it's a little bit more discreet. Okay. So first it says thank you. And then it says what to do when you get your Cuddy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your Cuddy out of the box. You want to lift your seat to see the magic inside, as they say. You remove the carbon filter from its packaging. Here goes the carbon filter. So this is filtering stuff out. You don't want, the fan helps with any humidity in there. So scissors. All right. So we're going to cut this open. And here we have the carbon filter. The filter, yes. All right. So it says that the carbon filter, we're going to take it from its packaging and ensure that both caps are clear of obstruction. So I'm going to put this together and I'm going to see how everything goes. I'm going to follow all of these directions, and we're actually going on a first-time camper van trip tonight, so I will let you know how it goes. So with that, I hope this review, unboxing of the Cuddy Composting Toilet has been helpful, and I will try to follow up and let you know how our first use of it tonight goes. It's not bad looking, right? All right, thanks. With that, have a great day. God bless.